We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all just say, honey, Santa has been good to me, honey. So excited to share this here unboxing. So if you want to see what's in this big old box, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. This is not makeup or anything. This is something that I needed. Like, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and pull the tab. Y'all can't guess what this is. No, or have any guesses on this. You want to take a peek? Do you see that? Yes! I got myself a MacBook. A MacBook Pro. I did purchase the new desktop. I love my desktop, y'all. I do. Well, I wanted to get a laptop because my laptop that I have, it still works and everything like that, but any type of content creating, video editing, picture editing, anything like that, so that can take a toll on your computer. Let me tell you, I have a 2013 MacBook Pro. Brand new back in 2013. It is now 2022. Book that I have, the 2013, it works, but I can't edit on iMovie or Final Cut Pro. Purchased my desktop. I did add the bundle with my iMac because I knew purchase the content creator bundle. I was able to transfer it to whatever devices I had. Final Cut Pro on my MacBook Pro, because I do edit from Final Cut Pro when I'm using my desktop. I'm using my iPad. I do use iMovie. iMovie has a lot of new features. For me, I do like Final Cut Pro better because of the fact that you can do a lot more. So I ended up getting this here laptop because of the fact that to like go to Starbucks or coffee shops to edit my videos instead of just editing on my desktop. So I'm like, what do I do? Like, do I want the $200 or do I want to just say, okay, forget it and just keep it? Because I $200 to get a external hard drive for my MacBook. I don't know what to do, you all. And then I also was thinking on Apple and just say, hey, I just purchased this MacBook, which I did, and I'm sure they can look it up. I didn't notice that y'all going to be having a Black Friday sale. You know, how would that work far as purchasing it? Because it would be nice if they could just take the receipt. Well, I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, y'all. Like, I want to open it now, but I don't know. Now, another thing about the newer MacBook, they don't have no, outlets on the sides. Buy everything. And with my MacBook Pro, I had all of that. Like, I had all the ports. It even had the CD. Because remember back in the day, you had to use CDs for different things. Like, I even have a CD slot. And have none of that. And you have to purchase everything separately. Apple shit is not cheap. So I'm like, damn, Apple. But since I did purchase a lot of accessories to help with transferring my video files and stuff, so I, use it between the two because I really don't want to buy no extra stuff for this here Mac. Only thing I'm looking to purchase is just the extra hard drive because I do have one for the iMac, so I feel like I want to get one for my older Mac to dump all my stuff on a hard drive so I won't lose everything. I did get myself the new MacBook Pro. Like I said, I got the basic one. I didn't get the one with the higher storage and all that because, like I said, I already have my desktop. Let me know what you do. Like, do you keep it or do you return it to get the gift card? Thinking, because you all, I want to open this like right now. It's for Christmas, but you know I'm grown, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put the empty boxes under the tree. But I want to open it so bad because look, the pull tab is just ready. Like, do you see that? I just want to open her so bad, you all. But I just wanted to get on here and share with you really quick my new MacBook Pro. I cannot wait to use this. Like, wait until I start going into them coffee shops, y'all. Y'all gonna be seeing some cute pictures. Coffee shop with my computer, doing work and stuff, editing videos. And I am thinking about getting into editing my pictures a lot more than what I do on my iPhone. Because when I edit my pictures, I just use a real quick filter on my iPhone. Thinking about bumping it up and getting, is it Adobe? Or it's one of those websites that you use to edit pictures. Because I love taking pictures. I love to like teach myself how to get better in that field, because I want this to be my career. In order for me to do that, I have to bump up my editing skills, because I'm not, like I said, I'm self-taught. I just learn as I go. Academy has taught me everything I know this far. I said, you all, I just wanted to share this here really quick unboxing. Down below, what would you do? Just keep it and miss out on the gift card, or would you go and return it to get the gift card? Because I don't know, I just don't feel like being bothered, because I did go into the Apple store yesterday and the lady was like, you probably will have to return it online, and I'm like, do I really want to do all of that? With that being said, once I figure out what I'm gonna do, I'll let you know down below, because I'm not sure when this video is going to go up. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving, you all out there taking advantage of the Black Friday sales, which you end up getting. And y'all, 2 more big purchases, like 2 more big purchases. Guys, I can't wait to share my purchases with you all. Part of my Christmas, the Chanel, and like I said, I'm waiting for 2 more items. One of my items is coming today. This item is coming on Wednesday, but I'll be at work, so hopefully they'll just leave it at the door. Being said, you all, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. So before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. So as you can see, I ended up keeping the MacBook Pro, because after I got done filming, I couldn't wait. Like, I'm gonna be completely honest, I couldn't wait, because I think I would have had to wait like 5 days until Black Friday, then go in to return it and do all of that to get the gift card. So I was like, you know what, it's okay. So whatever I need for my MacBook Pro moving forward, I'll just purchase off of Amazon. So with that being said, you all, I hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing.
We wish